welcome back. Slightly more chilled video today. I'm going to be making a spork. So like the spoon video, these are pretty simple to make as well, but just a bit more convenient because 2 utensils. So yeah, you're going to need half a log split, which obviously you can do with an axe. I'm using oak today. Before I was using beech. But yeah, I've been trying out different grains of wood, so oak has been quite nice to work with just of recent. I prefer it when it's wet, because when you used seasoned oak, it's pretty tough stuff to work with. So that's freshly cut from a branch, and yeah, gonna make a spork out of it. When you are drawing the fork part, if you just put a line across, because that bit will be sawn later on, so you just want a flat edge to work with. Doesn't have to be perfect, that's the basic shape. So the idea with this is to create something like that really. This has taken about an hour and a half to make, but I have gone quite crazy on the old sanding and after carving. So it's not going to be look that fancy, but make a basic one today. So you start by taking the excess wood off. You just want to go around the outline of the spoon and fork side. It don't have to be perfect because we can carve away the excess after. As I say, oak is beautiful to work with when wet, another ball game when it's dried. So if you can, carve when wet. And I normally just saw the fork part just so I don't mess it up with the axe. So the trickiest part of this whole thing is getting this inside bit carved out, because it can go quite wrong quite quick. If you go a little bit too hard on the axe, it's usually alright if you take little bits off at a time. So I've really got into carving just the last couple of weeks, ever since I made that spoon really. I've been, as you can see, making a few more, so I'm starting to learn the basics for making, and I ended up making a spork the other day and I thought they're quite useful actually. I might as well do a video on them. That's the basic. Now we just need to shave some off the back. Okay, so I think I'm going to put the teeth of the fork in next, and for that you don't really want to use that because the teeth are too thick. Just a traditional saw will do, so just your average saw, and then you just want to cut about 3 or 4 lines through there to make the rough fork gaps. So there's one. It's been quite tricky just to get the lines straightened up. I've ruined quite a few sporks this week at this stage. See, the gap isn't amazing on that, but hey, they don't need to be perfect. Yeah, got a rough outline there, and then after that what I'll do is get a Stanley blade and just put the points on there, because my knife won't fit in between the gap, so I have to use a Stanley blade, and that's simply done by just putting the blade between the teeth and putting a point on the fork tips. So that's the fork side done, and then all you need to do after that is get a spoon carver. They're quite hard to come by, these. You have to go on eBay or Amazon and search for them, because you don't really find them in shops anywhere. All you do is just spoon out the spoon. So there. That's the basics, and obviously you can keep going at it until it looks ultra pretty, but that's good enough and usable, and yeah, sorted. So if you sat through this video and watched all this, hats off to you. Yeah, thanks for watching and tuning in. I won't give that one away because it needs more work, but I'm giving this away if anyone would like it. If you fancy it, just comment down below. First comment, you can have it. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please check out any of my videos, and I will see you soon. Cheers.